Welcome back to Lesson 5. Hope you've been enjoying your time with the ukulele. First thing we're going to do today is review a song we know. So let's do The Wheels on the Bus. Let's review The Wheels on the Bus. Has a C and a G7. Let's try it with the accompaniment. 1, 2, ready, play, rest.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all day long.
One of the things we started on last week was the individual notes on the ukulele. On the top string, the names of the notes are A. If you play the top string open, it's an A. If you put your finger in the second fret, it's a B. And in the third fret is a C. So you have an A, a B, and a C. We're not playing the chord, we're not playing the whole thing, we're playing just one string at a time. And those are the notes on the top string. Now let's not forget, we have to know our staff. Now the staff is divided up into lines and spaces. The lines are E, G, B, D, and F, starting at the bottom going up. And a way to remember that is every good boy deserves fudge. And you take the first letter of each word and you end up with E, G, B, D, F. Now the spaces are the places in between the lines, and they spell the word face, F-A-C-E. F-A-C-E is the spaces, E, G, B, D, F are the lines. So when you play this note here, it is an A, and when you play this note, it's a B, and this note is a C. The notes on the second string are E, F, and G. So the notes on the second string are open as E, first fret is F, third fret is G. So it's E, F, G. E, F, G. And those notes are also on the staff as E, F, and G. Let's try the examples. And here is our E. Remember, we play it on the second string open. So let's play it. It's in 4/4 time. 1, 2, ready, play. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here's what it would sound like without me counting out loud. 1, 2, ready, go. Here is our E note. It's on the second string, played open, and it's in 3/4 time. So instead of counting 1, 2, 3, 4, we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We have eighth notes, and on the eighth notes, we're going to come up on the end. So let's try it together. 1, 2, 3, ready, and go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, and 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Let's try it without me counting out loud. Ready, go. Here are notes played on the F. They're in the first fret, second string. Notice you keep adding eighth notes, and on eighth notes, the ands are up. So the last measure of this would be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And notice I'm coming up with my finger on the and. So let's try it together. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Here's what it would sound like without me counting out loud. 1, 2, ready, go. Here's how you would play multiple rhythms on the G. The G is in the third fret, second string, right there like that. 1, 2, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Let's try it without me counting out loud. Ready, go. right, now we're going to switch down. We're just going to start on the G, which is in the 3rd fret, and then we're going to go to the 1st fret, and then we're going to play it open, all on quarter notes. Let's try it together. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here it is without me counting out loud. Ready, play. There's another one where we mix the notes up. You start on an E, which is open. You play the F in the 1st fret and the G in the 3rd. And we start going from E, E, up to the G, which is the 3rd fret, down to the 1st finger in the 1st fret. So let's try it. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here it is without me counting out loud. 1, 2, ready, go. Here is a 3/4 time on the 2nd string with E, F, G. And it's counted 1 and 2 and 3, 1 and 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3, ready, and go. 1 and 2 and 3, 1 and 2 and 3, 1 and 2 and 3, 1 and 2 and 3. And if I play it without counting out loud, it sounds like this. One of our new songs today is a song called Pop Goes the Weasel. Here's Pop Goes the Weasel. It has a C and a G. It's also in 3/4 time. And so you count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So you go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Or, as the music shows, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then the next measure is the tricky part. It goes C for 2 counts, G for 1, and then back to C. So that would be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. All right, let's try it. Pop Goes the Weasel. 1, 2, 3, rest.
A penny for a spool of thread, a penny for a needle. That's the way the money goes. Pop goes the weasel.
Another one of our new songs today is He's Got the Whole World in His Hands. Here's the song, He's Got the Whole World in His Hands. We have a C chord and a G7. And the pattern is just 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and. So let's try He's Got the Whole World in His Hands. 1, 2, ready, play.
He's got the whole world in his hands. 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 He's got you and me, brother, in his hands. He's got you and me, sister, in his hands. He's got you and me, brother, in his hands. He's got the whole world in his hands.
It's time to learn a new chord. We know a C, we know a G, we know a G7, we know an F. Now we need a D. And a D is all 3 fingers right together on the 4th, 3rd, and 2nd string in the 2nd fret. D goes really well with C and G. So here's your G, here's your C, and here's your D. And here's a C, and here's a G, and then back to D. So, here's your D, here's a C, here's a G. Let's go 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4. And so start on the D, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and C, 2, and 3, and 4, and G, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Now, just like with all chords, the more you practice switching between the different chords, the better you'll get at it. And as always, the better you get at it, the more fun it is. So now that we've learned a D chord, we can play the song Yankee Doodle. It starts with a G, it goes to a D, and then there's a C chord in there. And it's mostly quarter notes, but sometimes we have eighth notes. So let's play Yankee Doodle. 1, 2, ready, go.
Yankee Doodle went to town a-riding on a pony. He stuck a feather in his hat and called it macaroni. Yankee Doodle, keep it up, Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the stuff, and with the girls be handy.
I'd like to talk about how important it is to review the songs you know. It's always good to have these songs right there under your fingers. It keeps you from forgetting them, and it makes it so it's fun when you get together with other people. You can all trade songs that you know and play songs for each other, maybe play a song for your grandma. And Happy Birthday is always a handy one to have because that's one that everybody always seems to know and will sing along with. One of our review songs here is Old Texas. C, G7. Here's Old Texas. 1, 2, ready, play.
I'm going to leave old Texas now. They've got no use for the longhorn cow. They've grown and fenced my cattle range, and the people there are all so strange. I'll take my horse, I'll take my roan, and hit the trail upon
Our last song today is going to be Happy Birthday. 1, 2, 3, rest.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Well, that's all I have for you today. Hope you had a good time. Keep practicing.